Good morning folks, welcome to Family Adventures. You've seen me and Isaac go carp fishing, you've seen us go carp fishing tons and tons of times, and you've seen how much stuff people take when they're carp fishing. I'm going to show you how to put 2 rods on the bank, carp fishing with a chair, and it all fits inside this one bag. So if you want to know how to go carp fishing with all this gear, 2 rods on the bank, tackle bag, chair, that just fits into that. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Did have to grab an extra couple of bits. We got a carp mat and obviously a small bait bag, but that is it. That is a whole setup, carp setup. Yes, it's not, you know, proper specific carp gear, but there are 2 tried and tested rods, nice little trespass chair, folds down really small, and all my tackle I need for a day session. So that's it. So if you want to know what gear I've got here, what types of rods, reels, all that sort of stuff, just leave a message in the comments section and we'll get back to you. Happy to run through any of the stuff we've got. Just give you a bit of a lowdown on the 2 rods. These are 2 mag reel rods. We actually bought these at the beginning of the pandemic, and these were the first rods me and Isaac started freshwater fishing with. We bought them just for going along our local river or Titchfield Canal. But you can see there's 2 different sizes. Obviously got the longer one for myself and the shorter one for Isaac. That's why they're 2 different lengths, but they are absolutely cracking rods. They are the mag reel 2.1 metre and the mag reel 2.7 metre rods. They are absolutely brilliant rods. And a couple of commando bite alarms which I use mostly for my main sort of carp setup. But yeah, that's it. So we're fishing here at Lakeside today. All the carp are up the river or up the canal, and we're just waiting for them to slowly make their way out into this area to start feeding. So I've got 1 rod just down there, 1 rod over by the far bank, and yeah, let's see what happens. Fingers crossed we're going to get a couple of fish on the bank. We'll just have my first little knock. We'll just sat here on the bank, we're all set up. But to be honest, we're not really dressed for the weather. It's meant to have been 12-14 degrees today, but my phone's saying it's 9 degrees. It feels like it's 5 or 6 degrees. It's absolutely freezing. We're out the wind, so there's no need to sort of set up the bivvy. We've got the pop-up bivvy, no need to set that up. But we've got that just in case. It's meant to be a bit of rain possibly coming in around about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But to be honest, I'm not sure we're going to stay here that long because it is pretty damn cold. Just had to put some hand warmers in Isaac's gloves. But Isaac's got the wrong coat, he didn't bring his right gloves. I've only got my thin coat. Like I say, we left the house this morning at 7 o'clock, expecting it to be warm. But hey ho, that's the British weather for you. We've just repositioned our rods now because the fish are just starting to come down the channel. But we've seen a big grass carp, probably about 10 pound, just cruising along the edge of the reeds. So I've cast my right hand rod out to the reeds just there. My left hand rod, where I keep getting knocks on, is sort of smack bang in the middle. We saw a little common carp just come straight in, really close into the bank. It's really shallow. I don't know if you can see, it's really shallow. It's only about 2.5 foot near the bank. Isaac's just repositioned his rods too. So he's got his left hand rod out into the middle and his right hand rod across to the reeds. So like I say, we've seen quite a lot of fish coming along, hugging the reeds, but they kind of do a bit of a U-turn and go back again. Not too many coming out into the middle, but who knows? Fingers crossed, wish us luck.
Huh? I caught him on a boilie, pink boilie. and as they cruise past, cast it on their head.
There he is. Isaac's first fish from Lakeside. It's probably about £4. Not big in, but he fought well, didn't he?
Oh yeah.
Practically hooked in the corner of the mouth. With a pink boilie, 3-line. Isaac stalked it up the creek bit where you're not meant to go. Right, so you want to get him out and unhook him?
He is quite heavy actually.
Yeah, looks quite good.
Oh, he is
Yeah,
packed.
that. Oh, that's nice.
I used them quarter ones in the pack to make sure that looks.
Beautiful condition, isn't he?
Look at how easy that pops out.
Yeah.
It's out.
Yeah.
Just if you put slack line, if you had that on slack.
Lovely fish. Photo.
What a photo! The big dog.
Get him back in the water, mate. Put him back this side so I can catch him.
Yeah. I was hoping we'd hear the bite alarm sound today, but it turned out that they were just not coming this shallow and feeding constantly. But it's a bit deeper, I call this one.
The other way, mate. That's it. Here he goes. Yay. Well done, mate. High five. Fisties. 50 bumps. Got another one.
Look, just down there.
Oh look, that is bigger. We're going to have to weigh that one. He's a good one. Let me get him in the net. Thanks for watching Family Adventures and another one of our video shorts. If you like this video, please remember to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.